TFNN. Headline News Update.
Hi everyone, on this 9th day of April, my pleasure to be here. And of course, we are looking at the Dow up 452. Yesterday, I think I said it this time when we were looking at the Dow, it was up 500. So we're up 450. No, it was maybe a little less. Up 452 at 23,890. We've broken out from that resistance point at that peak B. We're in leg C. What do we want in the Chapman wave methodology? We want to identify the lowest low bar, count each successively higher peak, get to the fourth highest peak D, and then we look for some kind of an arch formation. Even more important, we're looking at the H pattern. There's that H pattern, the daily chart. So we've gotten two fighting or competing patterns. One is the cup pattern. It's really important that this cup pattern has a little bit more of an extension up so that it kind of avoids this arch formation. But if we start to stall, like the 15-period exponential moving average is around about 24,300. If this period between 23,000, say 900 and 20, let's call it 23,000, just for the moment, call it 23,980. Just above 24,000, just below 24,000, that starts to stall. Then we could see this arch formation. But the MACD is good. Stochastics at 88%. I like what's going on. We've been long since the low of March the 23rd, trying to maintain these positions, watching this very closely. Good action today after the jobless numbers came out. A little bit better than what people were expecting. Not great. Believe me, it is at this point to have up to, 16, 18, 20,000 people out of work. Wow, that is just horrible. So the key support now, we're at 23,800 on the Dow, 23,000, I'd say 300. Don't close below that in the next day or two because that's going to set up a couple of arch formations that I'm not looking forward to. Leg C continuing in the S&P, we're up 51 this is 51 points. I mean, the number of points these days is just quite incredible. So we're looking at 2,800, and this is now defeating that purpose of the H pattern. This is way more like a V or even a cup or a V formation. I love what's going on. Hopefully we can close there. Let me just quickly go to gold because gold has been running very strongly. It's just broken to a leg C. It's at 1739. That's really good action. The dollar's pulling back a little bit. I'll talk a lot more about this and about my webinar coming up this coming Wednesday, all-day webinar. I'll be talking about it in my show. Be back soon. Hope to see you there. Have a great day. Have a great Passover.